Clear base makeup. Eyeliner in colors that pop. Dewy lip makeup. 2022 makeup trends start now. Happy New Year, everyone! 2022 is finally here. Recently, I made a video on 2022's beauty trends, and today I'm here to do a Beauty Hackers episode on getting this Y2K inspired glam and fun makeup look. 2022 trend makeup look starts now. So in 2021, a lot of us experienced breakouts and the weakening of skin barrier due to wearing masks. It looks like in 2022, skincare that focuses on strengthening your skin barrier will continue to be popular. There are a few things to keep in mind in order to keep your makeup last all day long. Remember these 3 points when you're doing your skincare routine. Number 1, avoid having too many skincare steps. Number 2, make sure each product is fully absorbed before moving on to the next step. And lastly, number 3, avoid products with textures that are too heavy on the skin. I'm gonna start my makeup off by using a toner pad. So I'm gonna grab one toner pad. I'm gonna use one toner pad and use it to prep my skin. Now, I'm gonna get each sheet for my cheek and put it on my face to lower my skin temperature. What this does is it helps base makeup to adhere better on the skin. So leave it on like a toner pack for a little bit. It's like a facial. Now I'm gonna use this Ampule. Using a serum with Propolis inside it will help strengthen my skin barrier. This really helps to make my skin look radiant and glowy. Next, moving on to cream or moisturizer. So, like my Ampule, I'm gonna go in with a cream that contains Propolis. This cream has light texture, so it's perfect for wearing before makeup application. So, dot it onto my face and blend and moisturize it. What? Yeah, absorb it. Do you guys see how chapped my lips are, guys? I'm just gonna put it all over my lips as well. Guys, remember you can't forget sunscreen. This is my next step. I'm gonna dot sunscreen on my face and blend it in. Remember to apply sunscreen. It's super important even if you're wearing makeup. Finally, lip balm. It's really important, especially for me, to apply lip balm during my skincare step before makeup so I can really prep my lips and exfoliate it when I apply lip makeup. Start prepped. Moving on to base makeup. Rather than thick base makeup, light base makeup that makes your radiant skin stand out is looking to be more popular in 2022. I'm gonna start my makeup by using a skin tint. Using a lightweight skin tint like this is going to make my skin look healthy with a slight glow. So, first, I'm gonna get some of this on my hand and dot it on my face. And then I'm gonna get a beauty blender and a mist and moisten it up. Moistening the beauty blender is going to help my makeup blend out and look really hydrated. It doesn't give me too much coverage, but it evens out my skin tone, and if I feel like there are other blemishes and spots that I need to cover, I'll go in with concealer. Okie dokie, so I've applied my skin tint, and then I'm gonna go in with concealer. Now when you use concealer, go for a shade that's one tone darker than your foundation or your skin tint, and then you can blend it and mix it with the skin tint in order to get natural but perfect coverage. So this is the concealer I'll be using. I'm just gonna get some of it on my hand. And then a little bit of the skin tint that I just used, one drop. And blend it on the back of my hand and dot it on areas that I need. So yeah, I've been getting little breakouts here and there on my forehead, and this is gonna help cover it. Some darkness under my eyes, just blend it a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender again, just blend it in. Guys, I don't usually grow my nails out, but I did for this Y2K shoot, and wow, it is difficult to put makeup on with these. Just a little bit of concealer helps brighten up the under eyes. And to finalize my base makeup, I'm gonna go in with a translucent powder like this. But remember to only apply it on the outer contours of your face, on the sides of your nose and your eyes to prep them for eye makeup, and not too much on the center of your faces where you're gonna want to maintain that glow. Just roll it and tap off excess. This will prevent your hair from sticking on your face like what's happening right here. Yeah. So just powder around the contours. So as you guys can see, the center of my face still looks radiant, but the outer contours have been blotted. The highlight of this eye makeup look is the eyeliner in a color that pops. I'm using a pink eyeliner to accentuate my eyes. Now, since we went for a more natural base makeup look, the eye makeup is going to be the main character of the show. Eyeliners with strong colors that pop, graphic looking eyeliners are going to be the next trend in 2022. Last year, a lot of K-pop idols rocked this bold eyeliner look, and today I'm going to try and replicate Irene's eye makeup and Taeyeon's eye makeup that can be both worn daily or when you want to look really festive. After you're done applying the base, I'm going to go in with a highlighted, accentuated color on the center of the eyelids and on the inner corners. When you're using a glittery eyeshadow like this, using your fingers can actually help adhere the glitter on your eyelids. Now going with a winged eyeliner brush, I'm going to apply pink eyeshadow on the outer thirds of my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with eyeliner to tightline the eyes to give my eyes more definition. Just extend it out a little bit on the outer thirds, but not a total wing. I'm done with eyeliner. Super important step, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. You have to really get all your eyelashes. Can you guys tell the difference between the two eyes? This one looks a lot more awake and bigger, and this one's kind of sleepy. So I'm gonna curl this eye as well. And finally, I'm gonna apply mascara to my eyelashes that have been curled. Ta-da! Done with applying mascara as well. The most important part of this lip makeup is the Y2K glossy lip. Use a lip gloss or tint for that dewy finish. In 2021, matte finish lips were very popular due to wearing masks, but it looks like in 2022, everyone's desire for that dewy glossy lip is about to burst. So first, I'm gonna wipe off any dead skin cells on my lips. You know how we applied lip balm? Yeah, I'm gonna wipe that off. Guys, my lips are so chapped. Look at this scarring because I was like ripping my lips the other day. Okay, so I've exfoliated, and then I'm gonna go into color. First, tone down your lips using your foundation and sponge. Not too much, just enough to just kind of, yeah. And then go in with a liquid lip stain like this, and apply it to the inner parts of your lips. Alright, I'm gonna blend everything out using a slightly tinted lip gloss like this. And just gently clean around the edges of your lips once more. And then you're done. Finally, let's go into blush. You guys saw how I didn't make my skin finish look really matte, right? So I'm gonna go in with a cream type or liquid type blush. You guys don't have one? Well, don't worry. Let's use the liquid lip stain that we just used. Okay, so I'm going to go and place a little bit on the palm of my hands just for quantity control. You guys have to do this super quickly, okay? Or else it's gonna stain your face. Just go in a little bit and dot it on the center of your face and blend it in fast. A little bit and dot it out. Ta-da! I'm done with my blush. It almost looks like I'm not even wearing any blush, guys. Yay, my makeup is done! And I have completed the Y2K makeup look. How did you guys enjoy this episode? I mean, this makeup look can be rocked in any other way, and you could even wear it on a daily basis. So make sure you let us know if you guys try out this makeup look, and if you have other questions or ideas about beauty hackers, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, guys. Annyeong!